I cannot believe the weather change. It is 70 degrees out. And just last week it looked like this.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
I can't freaking get over this. This is amazing. I am so blown away. 70 degrees. It was negative 37. Negative 37. Negative 37. Like a week ago. It's 70. That's 100 degrees difference. That's insane. I'm in flip-flops. The other day, I was dressed up, like, wrapped in blankets, freezing my ass off inside of that. This is crazy. Fucking Kansas. What's crazy is all the geese are hanging out on the frozen ice, and it's absolutely 70 degrees out, and we got the puppy out going for a little walk. That's crazy.